Now I'm gonna use some white to do some little snow. I'm gonna do this single, so just like that. Like that. Little knot here. And I'm gonna do some snow down here, I think. So you see will be different because I make snow here, but I'm gonna do snow here. So you can follow a bit this, but just like do whatever you feel to do here. So if you wanna do a lot of snow or maybe no snow, it's fine. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm just doing like little rises like that. So it's another fun texture. So it's like go like that, really tiny rises, kind of like tiny seeds. It's a like that, a small size. You can follow the little dots, but they're really small to follow, kind of like really small size. So sometimes I can't follow them. It's just like a bit of guidance, but they're pretty small like that. So yeah, you can just keep filling this area with little snow like that. Oops, needle came out.